What's cracking, y'all? It's your boy Futuristic with Indie Amplify, man. You see the drip, baby. Make sure you go ahead, go over there, get you some drip, indieamplify.com. I want to let you guys know our Spotify services are finally back up. Praise the Lord. Before we jump into our new services, just want to let you guys know, if you are not familiar with Spotify and playlisting and all that, we have a ton of videos on our channel about this. We have how to pitch to get on Spotify curated playlists. We have how to go from 4,000 to 70,000 views off of one release. And we also have getting your songs back on Spotify. All these videos are available on this channel and on our website, indieamplify.com. If you guys suffered from getting your song taken off of Spotify, make sure that you watch those videos on how to get your song back up, how to get all your streams back, and how to get everything back going how it should be. So with the Spotify debacle removing everybody's songs, we took a couple weeks off and now we are back with our new and improved playlisting services. So we have a whole new set of campaigns for you guys. The starter campaign, the bronze, silver, pro, gold, platinum, and ultra Spotify campaigns are now available on indieamplify.com. Not to mention, we have added Spotify ads. So now, instead of just getting on playlists, we have brought somebody on the team that can run ads for you and your Spotify to bring people directly to your account and directly to your songs. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. When do you get ads and when do you just playlist? So when you playlist a song, this is a quick pop. This is a quick hit. You want this one song to get on playlists. You want people to hear it. You want it to have a chance to hit Discover Weeklies, release radars, all of these things. If you are going to run an ad for your song, you are going to go to indieamplify.com. You are going to get the Spotify ad buy. This means that you are trying to get people to go from social media to your song. This is for an artist who is going to be releasing a lot of songs, who is trying to build their follower count. The reason why you want to build your follower count is because the more people that follow you, the more people are going to get notified when you release new music. So not only is this going to benefit the music that you have out, but it's going to benefit your future music. So you spend this money on this ad campaign, you get followers, and those followers will now be notified every time you release a song if you do it properly. What we do in our playlisting service is we are the key to the curators. We play middleman, we talk to these curators, and we make sure that they listen to your songs. So when you get a playlist campaign from us, we are going to be taking that song, pitching it to curators that some have one playlist, some have multiple playlists. These guys are going to listen to your music and place it on the appropriate playlist. Based on previous campaigns that these curators have done and previous campaigns that we have done, we are going to give you an approximation on what streams you are likely to expect, but just know that this varies with every single campaign. At the end of the day, it's all up to the listener to decide if they're going to keep playing this song, if they're not going to play this song, if they're going to show it to their friends. So that's why your stream count can vary depending on the song that you have made and you have gave to us. What's great about the approximation is sometimes artists will exceed these by a ton. You will get on a bunch of playlists and it will do better than we expected, better than you expected. If your song doesn't hit our approximate streaming count, we are going to keep pitching it for at least 60 days. At the end of those 60 days, if it hasn't reached its goal, we are going to get feedback from the curators on why they did not pick up your song, what you can improve on for the next time, so when you run a campaign again, it will be even more successful. I want to remind you guys that getting the most amount of streams you can possibly get off playlists does not mean that these are the right viewers, does not mean that these streams are real, does not mean any of that. So if you are going out and you are paying minimal money to get a ton of streams from some of these other companies, I can guarantee you that they're botting, that they're fake, that it's not the streamers, not the listeners that you want. With our program, we are going to pitch to the proper curators, we are going to keep pitching, and we are also going to do the ad campaigns for you. So make sure you check out our playlisting, our ads at indieamplify.com. Love y'all, appreciate y'all, stay indie my friends, I'll see you around, glad to be back up, sheesh.